Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We hear so much about how AI is going to solve all our problems, especially with data, accelerating analysis, making predictions, finding insights. And it's true, AI is amazing at that. First, fragmented data ownership and accountability. The issue is when nobody clearly owns critical data, like customer records, product catalogs, or financial numbers. This leads to gaps in quality, problems with access, and messy governance. AI is great at analyzing data, but it can't resolve the political battles or lack of clear roles around who is responsible for what data. Think of retailers where the marketing team manages online customer data, and IT manages in-store data, but they can't merge it because the teams are fighting over whose system is primary or who is accountable for errors. Second, cultural resistance to data-driven change. This happens when teams on the front lines just don't trust the outputs from your fancy AI or analytics systems. They might revert to old habits, manual spreadsheets, or just relying on their gut feel. AI can provide insights, but it cannot rebuild trust or align incentives to encourage people to actually use the data. A classic example is sales teams ignoring AI-generated scores telling them which leads are most likely to close, simply because those scores conflict with personal relationships they've built. The impact here is straightforward. All your investment in AI is wasted because it's not being adopted, leading to stagnant or zero return on investment. Third, persistent data quality root causes. Yes, AI and machine learning can be trained to detect data errors, spotting missing values, inconsistent formats, or misaligned fields. But AI cannot go upstream and fix the reason those errors are happening in the first place. It can't correct a manual data entry process that's broken or implement missing validation rules in an old system. Fourth, legacy systems and technical debt. AI models need access to data, and often, they need that data in modern, accessible formats. But AI cannot magically modernize your old, monolithic systems, like those built on decades-old COBOL code. It also can't automatically understand or rewrite undocumented business logic that's buried deep inside legacy code. What data challenges are you facing that feel impossible for AI to fix? Let me know in the comments below. If this breakdown was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights into data, AI, and the tech that powers them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.